If you still have issues after watching this video, check out the link in the description and I will be happy to assist you. Locked out of your Gmail? You're not alone. Every day, thousands of people find themselves suddenly unable to access their emails, contacts, and important files. It's a stressful situation, especially when you rely on Gmail for work, school, or staying in touch with loved ones. That "couldn't sign you in" message is concerning, especially if your recovery info is outdated. It can feel like you're locked out of your entire digital world, with no clear way back in. But don't panic. There's a way back, even if the usual recovery options are blocked. Even when it seems hopeless, there are still steps you can take to regain access, and you're not out of options yet. Google's security can be overzealous, but hidden within their help system are alternative routes. These aren't always obvious, but with the right guidance, you can find them and use them to your advantage. This guide is for when you can't get codes or access your backup email. If you've tried everything and nothing seems to work, don't give up. There's still hope. We'll use a unique method with a specific browser and Google's help menus. This approach is different from the usual recovery steps and can make all the difference. Grab your Android phone and let's start the process of getting back into your account. Having your phone nearby is essential for this process, and it could be the key to unlocking your Gmail. Your digital life is waiting. Let's go get it. With a little patience and the right steps, you'll be back in control of your Gmail in no time. First, let's prep your Android for recovery. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Google App Permissions, and set location to Don't Allow. Do the same for Google Chrome. In Chrome's App Info, tap Open by Default and Clear Defaults. Now, download QuickDL Browser from the Play Store. This browser gives us a clean slate for recovery. Disabling location and clearing defaults prevents Google from blocking our attempt. With your workspace ready, let's move to the next step. Start by opening your QuickDL browser and heading over to google.com. This is the first step in the recovery process, and it's important to use a browser you're comfortable with, as you'll need to move quickly between steps. Once you're on the home page, tap Sign In. Enter your Gmail address carefully, making sure there are no typos, and then select Forgot Password to begin the account recovery process. When you're prompted for verification codes you can't access, don't worry. Instead, look for and tap the Try Another Way option. This is crucial for moving forward if you're locked out of your usual recovery methods. If you see a message saying, "Couldn't sign you in," resist the urge to hit Try Again. Repeated attempts can actually make things harder by creating additional security checks, or even a temporary lockout. Instead, simply minimize the browser window. Don't close it completely. Keeping the session open is key for the next steps. By doing this, you log an official recovery attempt in Google's system, which is important, but you avoid creating a lockout or alerting the system to suspicious activity. Most people stop at this point, thinking there's nothing more they can do. But don't give up. We're just getting started, and there are more options to explore. With your browser session still waiting in the background, you're actually in a good position to continue the recovery process without losing your progress. Next, we'll dive into your phone's settings to uncover a hidden recovery path that many users overlook. This could be the key to regaining access to your account. Start by unlocking your phone and heading into the Settings app. Scroll down until you find the Google section. This is where all your account tools live. Tap on it, then look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Tap those, and from the drop-down menu, select Help. This is your gateway to Google's support resources. Once you're in the Help section, use the search bar at the top. Type in How to recover your Google account or Gmail. This will bring up a list of articles and guides specifically designed to help you regain access to your account if you're locked out or having trouble signing in. Find the article that matches your search, usually titled Gmail Security and Privacy Settings. Tap on it to open a detailed guide. This article contains step-by-step instructions and important tips for securing your account and troubleshooting sign-in issues. Sometimes you'll be prompted to open a link for more information. When that happens, choose to open it with the QuickDL browser or your preferred browser app. This ensures you get the full experience and access to all interactive help tools. On the new page, scroll down until you see the Help section. Tap on Google Account, then look for the article titled How to Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. This section is packed with recovery options and troubleshooting steps. If you're still having trouble, scroll further to find the Still Can't Sign In section. Here you'll see a link that says, Follow these steps to avoid getting logged out. Tap on it for more advanced solutions. Under the Set More Ways to Sign In menu, expand the section called If you use two-step verification. This is especially important if you've enabled extra security on your account, as it provides tailored recovery options. Next, tap on Learn how to use a security key. This guide will walk you through using a physical security key or other verification methods to prove your identity and regain access. In the tip box, you'll see an option to add more ways to prove it's you. Tap that, and then under the Fix Problems section, select Go to Account Recovery page. This is where you'll start the official recovery process. Think of this as your master key. By following these steps, you're unlocking the door back into your Google account. Take your time, follow each prompt, and soon you'll be back in control of your digital life. On the recovery page, enter your Gmail and tap Next. You should now see the success screen. Tap Change Password. Set a strong new password and confirm it. You're back in. But don't stop here. Update your recovery phone and email in your Google account security settings. Set up Google Authenticator for two-step verification. Review devices with account access and remove any you don't recognize. With your account secure, you've reclaimed your digital life. Keep your info updated and stay safe. And if you still have issues, check out the link in the description for personalized help, and I will be happy to assist you.